Hello, I'm Chris Williams and welcome to my video book, today from Flat Holm Island in the Bristol Channel.
So much for my attempts at a mega mix of my blogging theme tune. Anyway, I am Chris Williams. Welcome to this special edition of my video blog. Here you can see we are on the boat trip, the Lewis Alexander pleasure cruiser, as a matter of fact, from Cardiff Bay Barrage off to Flat Holm Island. Flat Holm Island under the jurisdiction of Cardiff Council is neighbouring, and what you're going to see in this video is a Flat Holm Island that is under the jurisdiction of Weston Super Mare. Indeed, I've been inclined to go to Flat Holm Island now, but it's a bit complicated to get to Weston Super Mare in time for the early morning boat ride out to Flat Holm. So let me tell you about the Cardiff Bay Barrage. Overall length 1,100 meters long. The embankment itself is 800 meters, and its final impoundment occurred in 2001. As I record this audio, my video features stop-start here, but I hope that you're at the moment able to see footage filmed at the front of the Lewis Alexander, and you can see the controls with this mysterious pair of hands guiding the ship towards Flat Holm Island. I was considered going to drop my camera overboard all the time. One of the hottest days of 2011 at this point. I had a terrible sunburn after this trip. Flat Holm Island, of course, is where Marconi made the first radio message across water in 1897, and there is a monument to that achievement on the island, which I think I photographed, but I can't find amongst my collection of photographs at the moment. Flat Holm Island is, I think it's 6 miles out from Cardiff, because you get excellent views of Devon from the island. It's 500 meters in diameter. It's been occupied for 800 years, and since 1982 the Flat Holm project has taken upon itself to care for the wildlife on it. You'll see cockerels and pigs later on, and you're bound to see lots of seagulls, very hostile seagulls they were. I'm glad I don't live on the island. Because the main attraction on the island, of course, is the big white lighthouse, but my footage stopping and starting as I record this audio. I hope that sometime close to this point in the audio you'll see a black lamb taking shelter from the crazy birds that are flying overhead. There's a cholera hospital on Flat Holm Island. It's where the people who had cholera in 1883 were sent from the surrounding locality to the island, so they would not infect the people of Cardiff. Cardiff, of course, at that point had a booming population, but was still over 100 years away from becoming the capital city of Wales. There's a lot of military artifacts on Flat Holm Island. You'll see at some point some ancient looking ammunition, and where that black lamb is one area that they fired out of during wartime.
$300 billion years old. Yeah, that's when the wave platform was formed there. That ties in with similar. Sorry, that's all. Excuse me a sec. Phil?
And now we are back on the big trip, going from our delightful trip at Flat Holm Island, going back to Cardiff. And this was the first time I'd travelled on a boat, and because I wouldn't mind having a break for Christmas now. I've been Chris Williams. Thanks for enjoying my £20 trip to Flat Holm Island with me. I encourage you to go there yourself. And until my future video blogs, just bye for now. Bye bye.